it's not what we really want to do. I mean, it's good, but I mean, the more people involved, the better. You can't really key in on one guy as far as like we obviously know that Jumar is going to be the at the top of the scouting report, but the way Jumar's been playing recently, as far as his passing ability and getting everybody involved, I think he's had 2 or 3 triple doubles this conference. It's made us a lot more dangerous team because you can't just really key in on one guy. So um, it's really a testament to how we've grown as a team and how we've integrated some of the new guys and able to play more than 5, 6, 7 guys. So it's a testament to our team.
Thank you, Chris. More questions from the media? Let me ask one to Kelly. Kelly, good afternoon. As the veteran here in TNT, you've bridged a couple of generations for TNT already, but still competing at this level. Just how special it is to see the younger talent come up and then help you reach the finals for your squad.
Well,
Please,
I
Kelly,
know
please
that
stand up.
one of the reasons Chop brought me back is to be able to help guide the younger guys. It just so happens that I've kept myself in a sort of shape that he can actually use me as a player as well. So it's really good to see the development. That's one of the roles that I've embraced in the last few years that I've been playing, and again, that's my role here primarily is to help to continue the to perpetuate the environment and the kind of atmosphere that that Chop has cultivated over the years that have brought championships to the organization. So I'm just grateful to have an opportunity at this stage of my not only my career but my life to witness it and be a part of it.
Thank you, Kelly. More questions? Sir Ruben.
Hello. To Coach Chot. Coach, nung prior to the season, dami yung ginawang moves. You signed Gio and Kevin Ferrer. Yun bang mga moves na yun, was it built around having a chance, a better chance of beating San Miguel when down the road?
Definitely. If you go into any tournament, you take a look at who's the big guy on the block, right? So there's no secret that San Miguel, like I said earlier, has dominated this tournament. So if you want to be able to compete with them, then you better have the resources, and that's what guided our build-up in the off-season. So that was the first, and the second was the injuries that we experienced in the last finals. So it was a big part, a big objective for us was to address our depth, and I thought we were able to do that with those additions. So combination of really going and looking at San Miguel as the benchmark, at the same time addressing our own issues.
Thank you, Sir Ben. Bello?
Question for Calvin Octana. Calvin, you've had some struggles dito sa semifinal series ninyo against Meralco. How have you been preparing para makuha ulit yung rhythm mo after a few shooting slumps nung semis?
Tapos na yun eh. Hindi ko iniisip yun eh. And syempre, different ball game naman against San Miguel. Second time na makita sa finals. Different approach naman yun every game. Kaya nga sabi nila nga, every game is a different game. And yung nangyari sa series against Meralco, syempre may makukuha, matutunan ka dun. And those mistakes, those games na may mga makukuha ka to improve more on your game, take it to the next game. And yun lang, syempre, you need to do that on your practice naman. Hindi naman yun isang gabi lang na mag-i-improve ka agad. Thank you.
We have more questions. Let's ask everyone. Sir Jerry?
Good afternoon ulit. To Poy, Kelly, and Brandon, I'm sure the task of
taking on Junmar Fajardo depends on all of you guys. And Junmar average, at one time the semis at 20-20 per game no average. So how do you like your chance of going up or at least limiting Junmar's numbers in the finals?
Yeah, it just takes a team effort. Like you said, all of us will have opportunities against them. I'm sure of that. Henry as well. So just working as a team, playing team defense, that will be a key.
Kelly?
Yeah.
Poy mo na?
Yeah. Sabi niya, Brandon. Pareho lang naman. Siyempre,
Dagdagan mo naman, boy.
yeah, it's a team effort pagkalaban mo talaga yung San Miguel. But hindi lang naman si Junmar yung babantayan namin eh. So, siyempre, you have the guys na sobrang, kaya sila nasa finals kasi ang galing nila individually, di ba? And as a team also. So kami, our goal is to play as a team, to bring our A game every game. Diba? Sabi nga ni Coach Sote, even if we bring our A game, talo pa rin kami. Pero we will try. At least every game we will bring our A game. So at least it gives us a chance na makapag-compete, diba? So, yun.
Kel?
Sabi ni Poy.
Sige, sumagot ka na kanina. Okay na yan. We move on now to the San Miguel Beermen. Rodney, you started most of the games for San Miguel Beer this Philippine Cup, and then Coach Leo Austria made an adjustment. Just talk about the mental readiness of just accepting kung ano yung kailangan ng team, kung ano yung role na kailangan mong gawin dito sa finals din.
Hindi naman sa akin importante kung starter ka or nasa second unit ka. Yung goal naman namin is still the same lang. Doesn't matter kung sino yung nasa harapan, kung sino yung nasa kabilang side. Goal pa rin is para manalo. So kung yun yung makakatulong para manalo, mas madali naman siguro para mabilis.
Thanks, Rodney. More questions from the media? They're on that side. Yes, sir.
Hello, Brian Melendez from the Philippine Star. For Poy, last time na nakalaban SMB na injured ka, and now healthy ka, tapos galing ka pa nga sa history with Gilas sa SEA Games. Paano mo tinitreat tong finals for another milestone, kumbaga?
Unang-una, siyempre, blessed makapaglaro ulit sa finals, di ba? Thank God na nandito kami as a team. Siyempre, para sa akin, sobrang one of my dreams to always play in the finals. Kasi if nasa finals ka, nasa top 2 ka na magagaling na team sa PBA, di ba? So being here, being able to play at this level and being able to help the team in any way possible is a blessing for me and opportunity to showcase my ability and talent in the biggest stage, which is PBA.
To Calvin, CJ, and Junmar. Pang ilang finals matchup nyo na to, pero ilang beses rin kayong palaging magkasama sa Gilas. Meron pa bang iba kung naghaharap kayo lagi sa finals like this time?
Sumagot ka, Kaz. Sumagot ka, Kaz. Hindi ka na nagsalita dyan.
Sorry, nakalimutan yung question eh.
Lagi kayo naghaharap sa finals, pero lagi rin kayong teammate sa Gilas. Meron pa bang iba, kumbaga, tuwing naghaharap kayo, and this time, second straight ata?
Wala naman iba eh kasi we're used to hang out sa Gilas eh. So yung lang naman pag dito sa finals minsan walang kaibigan. Talagang binibigyan namin yung best namin. We compete at good competition naman. So ayun, si Calvin sanay na ako diyan, kasama ko lagi yan sa kwarto. So, secret.
Calvin, close ba talaga kayo ni CJ?
Hindi. Hindi kami close yan. Minsan lang magkahiwalay. So, happy lang ako kasi nga, kahit sa Gilas or dito sa PBA, magkasama kami. And yun nga sabi ng mga coaches, di ba? Sino ba magsasawa kung nasa finals ka palagi, di ba? Yun yung pinakamaganda. And Sa labas ng court, pero pag sa loob ng court naman, alam naman namin yung trabaho namin. Yun lang.
Same. Pag nasa loob ng court, wala mo ng kaibigan. Pero pag sa labas, siyempre, kaibigan tayo. Magkalaban lang tayo sa court, pero hindi naman tayo magkaaway sa labas. Hindi naman tayo magkaaway. So, gagawa namin yung best namin. Alam naman natin yung Tokendex ganun yung gagawin. So, may the best team win na lang. So,
By additional, in serious contention ka for your 12 best player this conference. Ano masabi mo dun sa...
di ko iniisip yun. Yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, yung sa isip ko, sa isip ko, laging wala akong napanalunan ng championship, wala akong napanalunan ng awards. Kaya yun yung nagde-drive sa akin na sana this conference makakuha ko ng first championship ko, makakuha ko ng first award ko. So yun yung nagde-drive sa akin. So,
good afternoon po. Siguro sa coaches po, obviously TNT and SMB are the two deeper teams sa PBA. How do you see yung benches nyo taking a factor dito sa finals po? Thank you.
Well, for me, it's a very important factor yung bench. And if you note this, since the start of the conference, our bench is performing well. And that's my goal because every players in my teams, I trusted them. And that's why na-mention kanina in the last 4 games namin sa semifinals. So, different players ang nagiging best player. And then, it's a competition, healthy competition in our team. That's why every practice talagang nag-enjoy sila and everybody's competing each other. And that's the way how we how to be a competitive team. But at the end of the practice, magkakaibigan sila, nagbibiruan sila. But ito yung habit na gusto naming i-develop. Pagdating ng game, makikita mo, seryoso sila. And then lumalabas yung mga angas nila. Ganyan. And that's the way how we approach the game. Every game is different game because we know since the start of this conference, most of the team building up their team to be competitive. And fortunately, we're able to make it again to the semifinals and then finals. And hopefully, this championship give us another chance. But it's not that easy. Dahil alam naman natin na ang kakatunggali natin is determined to win a championship. That's why sabi ko kanina, it's good for the fans because both teams really wanting to win a championship. So, ang magbe-benefit nito ay yung mga mahihilig sa basketball. Thank you.
Coach Todd?
As talented as San Miguel starting unit is, they lead the league in bench points. So nothing else needs to be said after that.
So let's go straight to the source of some of those bench points. Don Troliano, your role in this squad, sometimes you play 15 minutes, sometimes you play 30, but when you're hot, your teammates, pinupuntahan ka talaga. Gaano kalakas, gaano kasarap yung kumpiyansang binibigay sa'yo na pag mainit ka, palagi kang pinapasahan ng mga kampi mo, like sila Jumar and Chris Rosen.
My mindset kasi is, hindi ko naiisip na second unit ako. First 5 ako ng second group. So that's always the mind. No, I'm just,
Pakiulit.
Like my mindset is hindi ako reliever ng first 5. Like I can be the first group of any other team. So that's always the mindset. Kaya pag pinasok ako, I'll just do my job.
Thank you, Don. Now, I think Marcio has not answered the question yet. So Marcio, after all this time, 11 championships under your belt alongside Chris and Junmar, what keeps you motivated and hungry to win another championship for San Miguel Beer?
Yeah, it's just, doing for my teammates, just being there for them, obviously my family, and then the love of the game. It just keeps me going. So just showing up to work every day, seeing my teammates, and then just having that common goal is at the end of the year or conference is get a championship.
So just great to see the guys who come in who haven't got one yet to get one for them, or just build on from what we did from our last one.
Thanks, Marcio. One final round of questions.
Question po kay Com. Com, first question, gaano ba yung expectations natin sa mga manonood? Kasi medyo maganda yung naging turnout from last conference na nagharap ang TNT tsaka San Miguel. So ano ang expectation natin for this finals?
Every finals naman talaga nandiyan yung mga fans. Basta nagsimula yung playoffs natin, quarters, semis, finals, nandiyan sila. So inaasahan ko itong laban na to, magandang matchup, okay yung mga players, sana walang masyadong injury, maganda to. Katulad yung sabi ni Coach Leo, para sa mga fans to, itong matchup na to.
One final question, yes.
Yun, Com, yun nga, pinapatanong ni Sir Jerry. Yung sa magiging stricto ba tayo sa mga game officials kasi ayaw naman nating mangyari yung from last time.
Nag-board meeting kami nung Thursday. Pinag-usapan namin na dalawang head coach o coaching staff pupunta sa PBA tomorrow para kausapin yung mga referees na i-assign namin for the finals. Para makita kung ano appreciation sa tawagan. Paano tawagan, magkaroon ng konting liwanag ang mga coaches pati yung mga referees. First time namin gagawin to, pero baka gawin na namin every playoffs. So, nanggaling kami sa 24, naging 16, naging 14, 12 na lang tayo itong finals. 12 to 14 ang referees natin. Sana maayos ang tawagan, hindi naman natin mawawala yon. Pero gagawin namin lahat. Para mga players din yan eh. Kung sa tingin nila dapat nilang gawin o tulad ng sinabi ng mga players, depende sa gising. Pero sa referees, kailangan talaga sila laging handa. Masususpend sila or baka matanggal sila.
Coach Leo, question pa. Kasi nung elimination round, ang ganda ng simula nyo, 10-game winning streak. Umabot pa pala sa quarters yun. And the last time na meron kayong ganong winning streak, hindi kayo nag-champion eh. So ano lang masasabi mo, anong tingin mo dapat nyo gawin para hindi na maulit yun?
Sana mabago yun eh, pero hindi ako yung coach noon eh. Noong time na yun eh. Pero...
Mic drop.
We will try our best na nawala because it happens to San Miguel and this is San Miguel also. So I hope na hindi mangyari yon.
And ano po, siguro po sa mga coaches, kasi po last week na announce na yung first, itong final series na to, the first time na may award yung Ramon Fernandez Trophy. Baka kunin lang po namin reaction po ninyo, maybe Coach Chot, Coach Leo, or siguro si Junmar, or mga naka-finals MVP na po.
Junmar, reaction. Ramon Fernandez will be named for finals MVP. Your reaction?
Ano ulit yun? Dapat lang. Kasi siya yung barometer sa mga players. Siya yung nilulook up namin. So, yeah, deserve. Walang doubt.
Kunin mo ba yun?
Yung championship yung kukunin namin. Bahala na yung sino manalo ng MVP. So, yung goal namin yung championship. So,
Siguro sa TNT rin, yung last na nag-finals MVP, si Ray.
Ray Napata?
Unsay pangutana? Ay, anong
Finals MVP kasi pinangalan kay Ramon Fernandez. So, being a former finals MVP winner, ano lang reaction mo doon?
Ano ulit? Sorry. Siyempre, big respect kay Ramon Fernandez kasi siyempre, deserved naman. And kita naman natin talaga yung ginawa niyang impact sa PBA. So, for me, wala namang big deal dun. And, ayun lang. Thank you.
I think we're all done with questions. And on that note, we would request one final word from PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall just to invite the fans to come, show up, watch live, watch on TV dahil magiging magandang serye ang TNT versus SMB.
Katulad na sinabi ng teams, ng dalawang coaches, si Coach Jola, si Boss Robert, magandang matchup to. Paulit-ulit ko sinasabi to sa finals, pero totoo. Nakikita naman nyo kahit sino mag-finals, ito yung top 2 best teams dito sa All Filipino. So, maganda to. Panoodin nyo. Game 1, Antipolo. Game 2, Antipolo. Game 3, MOA. Game 4, MOA. MOA, Game 5, Antipolo. Tapos MOA. So, sana magsama-sama tayo doon at iniimbitahan ko yung mga fans. Ito talagang bakbakan to. Sana walang masuspindi. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall. Thank you, San Miguel Beer and TNT. And that will do it for your PBA Philippine Cup Finals in our 50th season. This is the race to Golden Glory, the final lap. It's time for photos. So lahat purong nasa likod, lapit tayong konti, right behind.